Welcome to the top best. The best John Deere Peg Perego battery is probably one of the most sought-after power sources for young adventurers, offering hours of imaginative play and outdoor exploration for children who dream of driving their own John Deere tractor. This robust battery is designed to keep those little engines running, ensuring that the fun doesn't stop prematurely, and allowing for extended periods of joy and activity in the backyard or on the farm. Number 5. Peg Perego John Deere Ground Loader Tractor. Get ready for adventure. This ride-on tractor lets your little one scoop, lift, carry, and dump like a real loader, all from the comfort of the driver's seat. No matter the surface, the high-traction wheels can handle it. It's perfect for navigating grass, dirt, gravel, or even pavement for endless fun. Driving is a breeze with the simple accelerator pedal that automatically applies the brakes when released. It's designed for safe and easy operation. The adjustable seat ensures a comfortable fit for your child, and the flip-up armrests add an extra touch of convenience and realism. We're so confident in its durability, we're offering a free second-year extension to the regular warranty when you participate. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This ride-on tractor features a working front loader for endless fun. Its high-traction wheels handle various terrains with ease. If you have a child who loves to dig and haul, this is the perfect choice for imaginative play. What people say. The battery life is decent. If your little one loves it as much as mine, a backup battery comes in really handy. It works well and is easy intuitive to learn how to use. It looks really good and the stickers are pretty realistic. We have 2 boys that have literally ridden these tractors until the wheels wore off. That's about 3 years of continuous use. They tow huge loads that blow your mind in wagons, they sit against banks doing burnouts, pile 2 to 3 kids on one unit, I've caught the teenagers riding them. Number 4. Schumacher Electric TB4 12V Ride-on Toy Battery. Introducing the Schumacher Electric TB4, the perfect 12V battery designed for your child's ride-on toys. It's rechargeable, safe, and easy to use, ensuring endless fun. This battery is engineered to work flawlessly with 12V Peg Perego and Power Wheels vehicles. Get them back to playing in no time. The Quick Connect harness makes installation a breeze. Simply connect it in seconds and let the adventures continue. It's a great way to extend the life of their favorite ride-on toys. For the quickest playtime, pair it with the Schumacher Charge N-Ride Charger. This ensures your battery is ready for action whenever they are. Safety is paramount. Our battery includes a replaceable fuse to protect against overcurrent, providing a safer experience for charging and operation. Your purchase includes the Schumacher Electric Charge N-Ride TB4 12-volt battery and its user manual. Get ready for smiles and adventures. What we like. This battery offers a quick and easy connection for seamless replacement. The replaceable fuse adds an extra layer of safety during operation and charging. If you're looking for a reliable and safe power source for your Peg Perego toy, this is a great option to get your child back on the road quickly. What people say. Perfect fit. Has amazing power and life in the granddaughter's tractor but not so much in their gator, so don't be quick to condemn the battery if it is performing the way you expect. It may be the vehicle. Found this battery, hooked it up, and it worked fantastic. Battery lasts a long time and has lots of power. This battery is larger, but there was a piece on the strap that holds the battery that came out to allow this to fit. The life of the battery is fantastic, although charging it for 18 hours the first few times is a long time. But the battery will last days of multiple riders going at top speed. Number 3. 12V12R Ride-on Toy Battery. Introducing our new 12-volt, 12-ampere-hour battery, designed to power your ride-on toys. This battery is compatible with a range of popular ride-on vehicles, including models from Peg Perego, John Deere, and Polaris. It arrives fully charged and ready for immediate use, so you can get back to playtime right away. Installation is a breeze with its exact fit design. Simply plug it in, and it's ready to go. Measuring 5.9 by 3.9 by 4.4 inches, it's designed for a seamless fit into your compatible ride-on toy. What we like. This battery provides a robust 12V12Ah power output for extended playtime. It's designed for a simple plug-and-play installation and arrives fully charged, ready for immediate use. If you need a straightforward, high-capacity replacement battery for compatible Peg Perego models, this offers convenience and power. What people say. By accident, I got a larger battery. Didn't know it. I was wondering why this one ran all day without charge. We've been outside playing for over an hour now and it's still running strong. Great replacement battery, lots of power, really pushes the kids. John Deere. Number 2. Peg Perego 6V Battery and Charger Combo Kit. Get your little one back on their favorite ride-on toy with this essential 6-volt battery and charger combo. It's designed to bring hours of fun. This power kit is specifically made for compatible Peg Perego John Deere and Lee Red tractor models. Enjoy a perfect fit every time. No waiting needed. This battery arrives fully charged and ready for immediate use. Just plug it in and watch them go. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play design. It's an exact fit, making setup quick and hassle-free for parents. With a 6V4Ah capacity, this battery provides ample power for extended playtime. Keep the adventures going longer. This combo kit includes both the 6V4Ah battery and the necessary charger. It's everything you need to keep their ride-on toy powered up. What we like. This is a convenient combo kit that includes both a 6V4Ah battery and a charger. It's designed for easy plug-and-play installation, arriving fully charged. If you have a compatible 6V Peg Perego ride-on toy and need a complete power solution, this kit offers everything you need to get started. What people say. Fit perfectly and runs great. This was the perfect replacement and works great. Perfect fit. Works fine. Fast delivery. Number 1. 12V12Ah replacement battery for ride-on toys. Introducing a new 12V12Ah battery designed to bring your child's ride-on toys back to life. It's the perfect replacement to keep the fun going. This battery is compatible with a wide range of popular ride-on vehicles, including models from Peg Perego, John Deere, and Polaris. Ensure a perfect fit for their favorite toys. Forget about waiting. This battery arrives fully charged and ready for immediate use. Just unbox it and let the adventures begin. Installation is a breeze with its exact fit design. It's a simple plug-and-play solution, meaning you can get them back on the road in no time. With dimensions of 5.9 by 3.9 by 4.4 inches, it's designed for an exact fit. Enjoy reliable power and performance for hours of playtime. What we like. This 12V12Ah battery is a direct replacement designed for an exact fit and easy plug-and-play installation. It arrives fully charged and ready to go. If you're seeking a hassle-free upgrade or replacement for your compatible 12V Peg Perego ride-on toy, this ensures minimal downtime and maximum fun. What people say. It had given new life to the ride-on toy. Worked like a charm to replace the battery on the kiddie tractor so our granddaughter can work on the farm. Battery lasted quite a while with 2 boys in it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.